Hello students, welcome to St. Paul's digital classes. Today I am going to teach you GK. Today I am going to teach you GK, a new lesson of GK in evaluation 2. A new lesson of GK. Open your book, open your GK book, open page number 34. The new lesson is stationery. What is the stationery? Stationery are the things which we use for studies, for cutting, for writing. These materials are for stationery items. So let's read it from the book. Open your book, page number 34. Let's read from the book. Open your book, page number 34. Page number 34. The new lesson is stationery. New lesson is stationery. These are the things which we use for stationery. These are the stationery items. The first is clip. We use the clip for holding the paper or attaching the paper. Now this is a scale. Scale is used for making lines. This is pencil. You all use this. What is the use of pencil? We will use pencil for writing. Now this is notebook. We use notebook for writing. We write on notebook. With the help of pencil. We write on the notebook. Now this is pen. You don't use pen, but teachers use the pen, and the senior students also use pen. This is pen. It is also used for writing. This is ballpoint pen. The use of ballpoint pen is the same. It is also used for writing. These are pens. For attaching the paper. These are pen box. We keep pin in this box. This is sharpener. You are using this, right? To sharpen your pencil. We use sharpener to sharpen your pencil. This is ink pot. It is full of ink. Ink is used in pens. We use ink in pens. So this is ink pot. It is full of ink. This is eraser. This is an eraser. What is the use of eraser? We erase the things with the help of this eraser. You are using eraser, right? Yeah. Now this is color box. Maybe your favorite thing, students? Color box. We use the color box for coloring. This is a paintbrush. It is also used for coloring. Now this is crayon. You are using crayon now? You are using crayon for coloring. Now this is notepad. We note the useful things or some important things in this notepad. Maybe your father or big brother, sister use this notepad. Yeah. So let's read the stationery things one more time. This is clip. This is scale. This is notebook. This is pencil. This is pen. This is pen. This is ballpoint pen. This is pin. This is pin box. This is sharpener. This is ink pot. This is eraser. This is color box. This is brush. This is notepad. And this is crayon. So read it at your home with the help of your parents. That's all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.